Hey everyone, it's Nissam. Today we're diving into Kimi 1.5, a tool that's packed with potential. And guess what? You can use it for free. Yep, you heard that right. First, let's take a quick look at the benchmark results. Check this out. You can see Kimi 1.5 is blazing fast and efficient, but that's not the focus today. I'm more interested in showing you how to use it for free. Now, let me show you how simple it is to sign up using WeChat. Just a few taps, and we're in. It's easy and secure. Here's the interface once you're in. It's clean, user-friendly, and ready for you to start exploring. But hold up, before I show you how it works, let me ask you a question. If you could ask an AI how to make 100 a month, what would you ask? I'm going to go ahead and ask Kimi 1.5 myself. I've already chosen the long thinking mode, and let's see what it says. And boom, just like that. Kimi 1.5 gave me some solid advice on reaching that goal. You can use this tool for all kinds of tasks, business advice, brainstorming, and much more, all for free. Definitely give it a shot. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips. Let me know what you'd ask Kimi 1.5 in the comments. Catch you in the next one.